Hey, Tiki Tribe! All right, so we are here at the 2019 International Miami Boat Show. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Continue watching. We're going to give you guys tours of boats, sailboats, all different kind of boats. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Come along with us and get on board the water taxi as we ride over to the Miami International Boat Show. It's one of our favorite events every year. Watching all these wonderful boats taxiing people in and out of Bayfront Park over to the show, how can you not get excited? Let's get going! Miami Boat Show has so many vendors out here, so many different boats, accessories, parts, so many different activities. Where do we start? Tiki family and crew, look who we ran into. Apple and Rob, the Adventures of Apple and Rob.
Yes, so we were actually featured in their video when we had the Potter 15, and they're one of the reasons like we are motivated to get on a bigger boat and just have a great time sailing. They're here Guys, if you haven't seen Apple and Rob and their adventures,
Check them out.
check them out. They are awesome.
Yay, thank you. Not only do they sell boats, they also have experiences. Welcome to the Tradewinds flagship fleet, complete with 2 netted trampoline areas, kayaks to show off, a hot tub out front as well. These folks specialize in week-long tours, possibly shorter ones if you ask for them. All-inclusive style. You could go land and sea or just sailing at sea. They have various locations, including 11 Caribbean destinations. Let's go take a look downstairs. Downstairs, you'll notice each room has a queen-sized bed. Very spacious for something on a boat. Loving all this closet space. Up above, you have the entire full kitchen that will be fully catered to your needs. Dietary as well if you have it. But let's go downstairs again on the other side, see what's there. Here you have another bedroom and another room. Again, each room having a queen-size bed. Each room also has its own head. That way there's no fighting for using the shower. I really think this is our favorite. Their packages are all-inclusive. You don't have to sail it. You don't have to lift a finger. They will clean your room. They will cook and clean for you. Nothing has to be done except for enjoying your time out here on this boat. Up here on this level you have 2 wheels for each captain, fully equipped with a Garmin monitor, a wonderful view of the front deck, and everything going around. My spot would be back there on those wonderful cushions, enjoying the sun and the sail and the breeze. Oh, I hope to go on this one day. Watch out, Bella, don't get too dizzy as you learn how to sail. Guys, she might be the new captain of the Friki Tiki if things keep going this way. Do you think we love sailboats? Now that we're inside, let's show you one of our favorite finds. It is the Torpedo electric motor. It is almost virtually silent, fully electric, compact. Looking at this boat, it reminded me a lot about speedboats, until I got a little bit of a closer look on the inside. If you look between the 2 seats in the center console area, there's a rudder handle like you find in most paddle boats. But what kind of paddle boat would have an ice chest like that in the back, and then such wonderfully beautiful electronic controls?
See, even a 9-year-old can ride a dinghy.
Have you seen a U-Jet yet? We saw one. It is so neat. usable as a supboard or as a surfboard, but in the back you'll notice there's a jet. Motorized awesomeness. Alright guys, time to catch that water taxi back to Bayfront Park. It's been a long day. Looking out from our water taxi, you can see the beautiful lights of downtown Miami lighting up the night sky as we ride back to Bayfront Park. It's been a blast here at the boat show, but everything has to come to an end. Until next time, Freaky Family Tribe.